Today in Crazy Math 720, we are going to learn a shortcut method to find out the square root of imperfect squares. Yes, you're right. We are not going to use the long division method. Now consider a two-digit number 13. So we are going to find out the square root of 13, and you know that 13 is not a perfect square. So I'm going to write this 13 as a combination of 9 and 4. That is 9 plus 4. So root of 13 is written as root of 9 plus 4. You may ask, why can't we write it as root 10 plus 3 or root of 7 plus 6, which is also going to give you the root 13. I'm not going to choose these two combinations because 10 and 7 are not perfect squares, whereas 9 is a perfect square. So I am going to split this 13 as a combination of two numbers where 1 is a perfect square. Okay, now root of 13 is going to be written as root of 9 plus 4. Okay, so 9 is written as 3 square and root of 3 square is equal to 3 plus, and you have some term in this place and which is going to replace the long division method. Okay, so what I am going to do here is I am writing this 4 as it is, and this divided by 2 times 3. That is, whatever number you get here will be written here. So 4 divided by 2 times 3. So 4 divided by 6, or you cancel the 2 and 4 here. So you will get 2 by 3. So it is 3 plus 4 by 6 or 3 plus 2 by 3. Okay, so 2 by 3 is nothing but 0.66. So 3.66 approximately. So in this shortcut method, you will not get the correct answer accurately. You will only get an approximate answer. And now I have taken a screenshot of the square root calculator here. So root x is equal to 13. You get the answer as 3.60555, and approximately this is 3.66, close to this actual answer. Okay, so when you get a multiple choice questions, you may have 2 or 3 or 4 choices, and one of those answers will be close to this answer what you get here. So you can use this method to tick the correct answer. Now we are going to solve another two-digit number 23 here. So square root of 23, which I am going to write it as square root of 25 minus 2. You may even think of another combination. 23 is equal to 16 plus 7. That is also right, but I am solving a problem with a minus sign here. So I wanted to take 25 minus 2 and then proceed. And here again 23 is equal to 20 plus 3 and 23 is equal to 10 plus 13. But we are not going to choose these two combinations because 20 and 10 are not perfect squares. So let us proceed with 25 minus 2. Square root of 25 minus 2. 25 can be written as 5 square. So square root of 5 square minus 2, and this is square root of, I am writing this 5 as it is, minus. Now this is the term which is going to replace your long division method. So I'm going to write 2. This 2 is written in the numerator. So 2 divided by 2 times 5. And one thing you must notice is this highlighted 2 is there always. For any problem, this 2 is permanent. Okay. So this numerator will change, this will change, and whatever you write here will come in this place. So we are going to get it as 5 minus 2 divided by 2 into 5. Okay, and this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So I am going to write it as 5 minus 1 by 5, and you know 1 by 5 is 0.2, and that is equal to 5 minus 0.2, which gives 4.8. Approximately the answer is 4.8. And now I am giving you the screenshot of the square root calculator, and root of x, when x is equal to 23, the answer is 4.79. And we have got 4.8, which is very close to this 4.79. So let's move on to the next problem. Let us solve another two-digit number now. So I have taken 38. So we are going to find out the square root of 38. Now this 38 I have written as a sum of two numbers, 36 plus 2. So this can also be written as 30 plus 8 or 28 plus 10. Still, I am taking 36 plus 2 because 36 is a perfect square. So root of 36 plus 2 is nothing but 6 plus, and this is the new combination which we write, that is 2 divided by 2 times this number 6. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled and you'll get 6 plus 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is nothing but 0.1666 and that gives you 6.1666 approximately. And here you can see the square root calculator picture which gives the answer as 6.16444, and definitely this is close to the answer which we got. And now let us solve a 3-digit number. So now we are going to find out the square root of 652. 652 is not a perfect square. So this I am going to write it as a sum of two numbers, 625 plus 27. So the other two combinations, as I already told you, I am not going to choose any other combination. I am going to take only 625 plus 27 because 625 is a perfect square. So now here you get root of 625 plus 27. So 625 root is 25. So I write 25 plus this, I write it as 27 divided by 2 times whatever appears here, which is 25. So I get 27 by 50, and 27 by 50 is nothing but 0.54. So the answer is 25.54 approximately. So now here you see the picture of the square root calculator which gives the answer for root of 652 as 25.53. The answer we got is 25.54. So now you can be happy because you are getting a closest answer. Let's generalize this method. So we are going to find out the square root of m where m is not a perfect square. So I am trying to write this m as a sum of two numbers where the first number is a perfect square. So I am going to write the square root of m as square root of a square plus b. And you know that square root of a square is equal to a. So I am going to write it as a plus. This b comes as it is. So b divided by 2 times a. And you know, I've already told you that this place, this 2 is permanent. For any problem you take, this 2 is permanent. Okay. And whatever number appears here comes here as a. And another combination you can think of is some a square minus b. So instead of a plus here, you will get a minus here. So a minus b by 2 times a. So both the ways you will get an approximate answer close to the actual answer you will get. And why I have not given you this formula in the beginning is, in the beginning if I give you a formula then it will not be very interesting for you. So I have not given you that. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and share with your friends.